In this video, I'm going to show you how to force dark mode on Rentry. Now, you can't actually force dark mode per se, however, you can come very close by changing the default background, which will of course make the background default for anyone viewing your Rentry. So let me show you. To force dark mode, here, of course, using metadata, you want to click on metadata down here, and you want to go to example. Then you want to copy two things. The first one is container inner background color, so copy all this and paste it inside metadata. Then go back to examples and use this one as well, which is container outer background color. So copy this and go paste it again over here. Now we're going to use the color, which is the default dark color, which of course Rentry uses, which is this color over here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in hashtag 262626. Okay, this is the exact color code for this specific color over here. You can check it on Google if you don't believe me, but you'll see in a few seconds. So if I now go to preview, and I actually have to put in some text as well, so I'm just going to do hello over here. I'm actually going to do like hello like this, and preview. There we go, looks good. If I now were to switch, for example, to light mode, you can see there we go, the color is still the same. Just make sure the colors actually make sense, but of course that's it. So if I go ahead and basically am on dark mode, I'm gonna go and click on go over here to actually publish this. And now I'm actually going to copy it and I'm going to view it here in a separate tab inside my browser. So of course, as you can see, it's currently in dark mode, but if I go to light mode, if I try to switch over, it's basically forcing dark mode. Now this top portion will be changed, the color will come bright, but of course this doesn't really matter. It's just a banner up top. No matter whatever I do over here, if I go to light or dark, it's going to display this as dark mode, and it's forcing it because I put the background color, both the outer and inner, as of course this specific color, which is the default dark mode color inside Rentry. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.